I almost died because. Please ignore my face and camera quality. Okay, guys, settle in because I have the most absolute unhinged story to tell you all. So, few days back, I was walking to my tuition, and out of nowhere, suddenly, something hit to my head. For a split of second, it genuinely felt like there was someone taller than me who walked up behind me and smacked my head. Like it was that heavy. And I was just looking behind, and I saw this massive crow was sitting on a streetlight bar so calmly and staring at me and carving at me. What the hell? So while coming back to home, one of my close friend, I met her and I said this to her. She said, this shouldn't happen and all. Just go and inform your mom. I was like, come on, that's nothing. I was like, Loki, chill. So in the late evening, my grandma called me and then I was like, hello, Nani, this is the thing happened with me. Big mistake. This and she was like, oh, this is not good. I mean, and then she says to me in the dead silence, and crows are the messengers of bad signs, death, and etc. things. Sitting on my bedroom and just thinking, excuse me, I just wanted some love, not an final destination warning. She said, go hand this call to your mom. It gets more worse. And Nani said, according to ancient beliefs, the only way to break this curse was to a lie or spread a rumor. And the only idea popped into my head was I have been died. We were about to call my dad, but he was on duty. And then we called up my uncle, I mean, Mamu. And Soro, she said, this happened. And so they thought I have met an accident. And was like, it was disgusting. And my uncle called up to his brother and informed him to now. It was like, more problematic. Can't even believe that how my mama and my brother believed in it. I was like, kya bhai? I mean, my brother was so far and he just came back home in just 10 minutes. So my brother was panicked and he left the place in the silence. And his friend called up to my mama and asked, so what just happened? He left the place in silence and did not tell us anything. It was like more panicked. Auntie, please do tell us what happened. We are here for you, etc. etc. things. This was cute, by the way. He came home back and I was just hiding here. My mama and my sister burst out laughing. My brother was like, what the hell you're doing? He saw my face. I was like, he got calm at that particular point. I was just wondering how this 10-second of interactions with that massive black crow turned my entire family dramatic. That is the story of how I technically died for a few hours. And it was like so delusional. I can't even still believe how my brother and mama believed in it. I was laughing over there and everyone were like just panicked. What happened? Oh, it's so like unbelievable. Oh my god. Yeah, stay a while for more unscripted, chaotic stuff. Yeah, bye bye.